So starting off with 6 large champignon mushrooms, we're going to thin slice those, 25 grams of vegan butter, 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, a very small handful of parsley, which we're going to finely chop. We want 4 slices of sourdough bread, 3 teaspoons of vegan Parmesan cheese, some balsamic glaze, and some sea salt to taste. We're going to start off on a low flame, and we're going to melt in our vegan butter, add in our garlic, let that soften up a bit, add in some fresh parsley, and our mushrooms. Again, low flame. I'm going to sprinkle on some sea salt on there, and a little bit of the Parmesan. Give it a good stir. And then we're going to transfer the mushrooms into a bowl separately. Now in our pan where all the flavours were, we're going to very lightly coat our sourdough bread and then pop that in the oven until golden, or in a toaster. Then we're going to plate that up, sprinkle on some vegan Parmesan, parsley again, and the balsamic glaze, and there you have it, folks. This is an absolutely delicious dish. You've got textures, you've got flavours, the balsamic gives it a kind of sweet and soury kind of thing. The mushrooms give it a nice bite, and it's just a very, very nice dish. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, hit the like button, hit subscribe, it would mean the world to me. Ciao for now, and I'll see you on the next one.